Hello, I'm the teacher. In today's video, I am very happy to announce that we're going to be releasing Sock Monkey School Series Episode 7 Part 2, which is Sock Monkey School Series Episode 7B. Get the essay done, Colorful Sock Monkey! Hey, what did I do? Oh, Colorful Sock Monkey, I didn't expect you to be here. Anyways, I'm in my classroom. And, fine. Sock Monkey and me are in my classroom to announce the release of Sock Monkey School Series Episode 7, Part 2. Yep! Just wait till I give that essay to that teacher. Finally, I can't wait to see what you've done. Is something mean? Sock Monkey, I gotta go! I'll get her. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all soon. Anyways, please enjoy the episode Sock Monkey School Series Episode 7B to see what Sock Monkey has made for me. Get away, Sock Monkey! Hey! Ow! Sock Monkey, get back here! Why?
Before we head on to Sock Monkey School Series Episode 7, Part 2, let me show you the reasons. Here is Sock Monkey School Series Episode 7, Part 1.
Get that essay done, Colorful Sock Monkey!
Hello, I'm Sock Monkey. It feels another great day at school again. Hello, I'm Sock Monkey. Uh-oh! That landed. That hurts. Haha, you should be ashamed of yourself. Ugh. Oh look, the teacher has a nice, oh no. Sock Monkey, please don't do it. Don't you know we have a 100-word essay on Monday? What did you say, Sock Monkey? Uh-oh, teacher's gonna get you so badly. No, please, no! What, you want a what? Oh, yeah. The time in the middle. Sock Monkey, I have the perfect idea for you. You must give me a 100-word essay about your precious family and all your favorite things. And Mimi, 100 essay on Monday. It's due Friday. So give it to me at this second. Please, 100 essay. Sock Monkey, please do it. Please. Okay, fine. If you wanted to use stupid answers, it's fine.
Thank you so much for watching the flashbacks of Sock Monkey School Series Episode 7 Part 1. Now, let's see what Sock Monkey has made for me. You better get the essay ready, Sock Monkey, or I'm going to ruin your life.
Get that essay done, Colorful Sock Monkey!
So, Sock Monkey, this is your seat. Nice little seat. Now, I'm gonna give you a notebook about the 100-word essay. You have to give it straight to me by about Friday. You gotta do this. I'm so mad at you right now. I don't want to do this stupid essay. Sock Monkey, shut up. I'm gonna give you a notebook. Here's your notebook. Here's your notebook. Here it is. I'm done. It's all because that stupid Sock Monkey. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, that's faucet. Faucet. Get it? Look. It says faucet. I'm gonna write that down. Wait, Sock Monkey, get the good ones, and I won't. Calm down, Sock Monkey. You know what? I shut up. I'm gonna whip it out for you, and that will be your essay. Oop. That's what happens if you fail my class, Sock Monkey. Oh, look at that. A classic grip paper just for you, Salt Monkey. I don't want that paper. It's trash. No, it's trash to me. Now, please finish that essay. Yeah, please finish that essay. Fine, I'll finish that essay. Fine. I'm Salt Monkey. I'm gonna finish my essay. I don't even love you anymore. Teacher, can I go get a pencil? No, sir. I don't give you a pencil. Hey, why did you throw it for? Fine. A 100-word essay about my feelings. I'm so done. Okay, here we go. Hello. I'm suck monkey. I don't care about the teacher. Period. Exclamation, Your Highness, suck monkey. Colorful. That was from the teacher. My handwriting is so great. Teacher, I got something for you. Is that 100-word essay? Is that the 100-word essay? Yes, please read it. Fine. Hello, I'm Salt Monkey. I don't care about the teacher, period. Salt Monkey colorful. Oh, the bell rang. Salt Monkey, what is this piece of crap? It's an essay. This is not an essay, it's a letter. And you don't care about me too? What? I did. I'm done. Wait. Teacher, please. I'm done with your crappy letter. I'm so done.
Teacher, I forgot to tell you something. There's another new student. We gotta go right now.
Oh no, not another new student. Oh, Salt Monkey. 2 new students, double the madness. No. I don't want to be here. Please leave. Please leave. Hello, I'm Salt Monkey's brother. Oh yeah. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. 2 students, double the trouble. Digital, hello, I'm Salt Monkey. Hello, I'm Salt Monkey. Hello, I'm Salt Monkey, and what are you guys doing here? This is my brother. Hello, I'm Salt Monkey number 2. I'm just being here with my new best friend. Okay, calm down. You're gonna get my nerves off again. Please, I don't have any time to spare. Bro, you're really just as... Bro, get out! I don't want you anymore. Just please. I need you now. What? What is going on around here? It's not what it looks like. That's it. Time to throw you off. Stop, monkey. Teacher. I don't want to do this again. I don't want to play any of your games anymore. Just leave my new students alone. I don't care. What? I said I don't care. I just don't do anything right. 100 essay on Monday. You 2 boys, come and follow me. This is so fun. Follow me. So I'm Salt Monkey. Okay. Now, you're the new student, right? Yeah, and you're a new student. Yep, I am. Okay, so if you haven't noticed yet, this is the wishing bell. Now, okay, so what are you guys' favorite foods? Bananas! I always love bananas! I will go for my rubber tail. Shut up. Okay, calm down. Please don't insult the new student, please. Okay. So this is the wishing bell, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, I wish for 2 bananas. No, not right now. We just have to wait for the other students. Okay. Are you even paying attention? I wish for 2 bananas to give to my students. Look at that, 2 bananas. Hey, stop fighting with the bananas, guys. Look what you done. I didn't mean to, it was my brother. What? No way, bro. Let me fix this. No, let me fix this. Okay, it's done now. Look what you done. At least we still have the bananas. I'm done. Wait, somebody come back. It was just you. Yeah. Anyways, come to the classroom. Come to the group table. I got something to show you. Okay. Yeah. Come on, Salt Monkey. That means you too. Oh man. Okay. Oh wait. Salt Monkey's brother, you're gonna sit here. Actually, one second. This is my lunch, so you're gonna sit here because of that. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so Salt Monkey's brother, I'm gonna give you something to start off. It doesn't seem that bad. Okay, stay there. I'm gonna get you some. Stay right there, okay? Bye. Okay, listen. Do whatever the teacher says, but I heard the Rainbow Salt Monkey says it will give you consequences. Oh no, I don't want consequences. Oh, don't worry, you'll get into it. Come on. I'm gonna go. Okay, here's this. What's this? This is a passage. Because, okay, let's read it. Hello, best friends, welcome. Today, Salt Monkey's big brother is gonna read The Paint in the Pail. What's this? I'm so sorry. What's this? It's The Paint in the Pail. Yeah. So, you have to read, and then, okay. Do you see the paint in the pail? The paint in the pail is right in my bed. I can pick the snail. I can pick the train. I can pick the pat on the tail. I can pick the rain. I can smell the fail. I can even point my nails. I like to paint with my pail. Oh no, the pail fell. The pail ran down to the drain. Now I have to wait for new paint because of the pail. My pail. This is the first time. Sorry. What was the paint in? The pail? Yep. Name one thing he painted. A snail? Great! When did the paint fall? Down the drail? That's it, I'm so done. Oh man. But, great job though. Now, I'm gonna check on Salt Monkey. Okay then. See what he is doing. Okay, Salt Monkey. What is it, teacher? We're gonna do another 100-word essay. I want to do more. No, look what you done. fine, I won't play anymore. That's the attitude. Now, all we need to do is try to use this. What this is? Bet! Uh-huh. What's this stand for? Man! I'm a man. What does this spell for? You know what? I'll give you plenty of cards. And then you're gonna say it. Okay. Nut. Top. Fun. Mule. Wow. That was so fast, Salt Monkey. Time to do another round? I guess so. Great. Now it's time to do your essay. No. Please, one more chance. No, I'm not giving you any chances, Salt Monkey. Ah! I'm done. Okay. What's this? A whiteboard that you can write on. I'll give you something. Something. Here's a Sharpie. That's the only thing I can find. Okay. Let's write then. Okay, here I go. Okay, let's see you practice. Hello? This thing doesn't even work. Salt Monkey, no drawing things in my class. Why did they I'll get you a new one instead. Here's a new one. What? You mean 100 essay for nothing? Yes. It's work. Hello. You seem really nice. I'm Stock Monkey. Colorful. Okay. I don't like my don't you dare. Fine. Fruits. That's what I thought. Because it's white. Turn the page. Fine. Never mind. There's my essay. Okay, let me see. Hey, we get so fun. Hello, I'm Salt Monkey Colorful. I don't like my fruits because it's ripe. Nice, but that's not 100 words, Salt Monkey. Oh, nice essay though, but 100 words isn't enough. What? No, I did my best. Shoot. Salt Monkey, why did you keep throwing things? Didn't mean to, eh? How can I never erase this? Maybe I got a wrong marker? Shoot. Fine, how about I put it somewhere to my favorite book? Oh, that's better, Salt Monkey. Yeah. Okay. Oh. The bell rang. It's almost time to leave. Okay. Bye. Bye, Salt Monkey. And the both of you. What is it? It's time to go. Say bye-bye. I wanna go. Say go. Bye-bye. Fine. Go. Same goes for you, new student. Huh? Don't wanna go. Don't wanna go. Oh my gosh. Okay, fine, I'll go. Yeah. No, but you just think I'm crazy. That's so amazing. Oh, never mind now.
This episode's getting out of hand, bro. I really feel like the teacher right now. I wish to make myself disappear.